Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can remove your pronouns on Instagram. So let's get started. Firstly, open Instagram app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon. Next tap on edit profile. Then you can see the option of pronouns. Tap on it. Then remove your pronouns. After that, tap on tick icon which is located at top right corner of your screen. So this is how you can remove your pronouns on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.